Infor CloudSuite Industrial. And Infor is a product that's very strong in the manufacturing space. It historically has focused very heavily on the manufacturing space and done quite well. We've actually been involved with a lot of different Infor implementations over the years. And with the CloudSuite transition it's making as a company from on-premise to the cloud solutions, there's some growing pains that go along with that. There's some capabilities that organizations aren't getting that they may have gotten from the legacy products that were available years ago. So Infor is another company that's going through a transition, and I suspect will continue to rise in our top 10 in the coming years. Despite all of that, Infor is very strong in the manufacturing distribution space. They're not trying to be everything to everyone, and for those reasons, Infor CloudSuite lands at number 7 in our top 10 list. Epicor is another company, much like Infor, that largely focuses on the manufacturing and distribution space. They do it really well. They don't try to be everything to everyone. And much like Infor and some of the other vendors in our top 10 list, they are making that transition to the cloud, just like a lot of others. And with all of that in mind, we have to look at the install base that Epicor has built up over the years with very strong capabilities in the manufacturing space and a strong customer portfolio. And so I suspect Epicor is another one that will continue to move up in the rankings in coming years. But based on where they are now in the transition to the cloud, that's enough to land them at number 6 in our top 10 list.